how to get own Discord server tag. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Also guys, make sure you join UFO187 Discord server. For more interesting content, visit UFO187 English Masterclass and follow me on Linktree. Okay guys, many of you friends have these custom server tags, but how to create it for your own Discord server? The master key is server boost. I just leave you this official Discord page in description of video to get through all this. Okay guys, in the first section, how to use server boost to unlock server tags as server owner or admin. If you have 3 server boosts for your Discord server, you will see this eligible option. Just go here on server boost, you will see this. Because I don't have boost, I can show you on my own Discord server. Just boost my server to get these cool Discord tags. After you have these boosts, mean if you boost your Discord server for 3 times. Minimum is 3 boosts, as you can see. Go on server settings, move here to server tags, you will see this eligible when you have 3 boosts. Choose here your tag, choose here your badge and choose here your color and just save this. After you enable it, your tag will be visible. That's the easy steps to get these tags without 10 minutes of video. All you need to do, you need to have 3 boosts on your Discord server. And just go on Discord server settings and you will see this option server tag. Just enable it, choose your tag name, badge and color. If you need to set your tags for your own Discord profile, just watch this last video. And that's it all guys for this video, how to enable Discord server tags for your Discord server. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.